Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create an account in Ubisoft. So first head into ubisoft.com and then click the profile icon that you can see here in the top right corner of the screen. After clicking this, it will redirect you to the login page. But for this video, we are creating an account. So click create an account and then type in your birth date. And then click the continue button. Now we just need to add our email address and create a password and username. Make sure to accept the Ubisoft terms of use, terms of sale, and privacy policy. Now click to create account. Here, click the send a new code that will be sent to our Gmail. Paste the verification code and click the create account. Now click the profile icon again. And as you can see here, I have created my Ubisoft account. And that is how to create a Ubisoft account. And thank you for listening.